Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'd like to do is show you how to write the equation of a parallel line to another line that goes through a certain amount of points. And I'm not going to go through an example because that's obviously what this course is about, is going through multiple examples. But what I'm going to do is just kind of give you like some points to kind of write down of what exactly you're going to be doing. So the first thing is you're going to be provided an equation. And so we want to make sure we identify the slope. So for instance, let's say I want to find an equation that is parallel to this equation. Plus 1. So therefore, we need to make sure, okay, the slope is -3/2. And why this is so important is because, remember, our new equation has to have the exact same slope if we're going to be writing the equation of a parallel line, because parallel lines have exactly the same slope because they never intersect. So we want to make sure we can identify what the slope is of that's going to be a part of our new equation. The next thing is we want to insert the point and slope. Insert the point and the slope into our new equation. So our new equation could be in the form of y equals mx plus b, if you like doing it that way. Or we could also insert it into the point slope form. All right, and again, I used x1, x2, but you can pick, it doesn't matter which y or x you plug it into. You just want to plug it into at least one of them. And then m is going to be your slope. So you plug your slope in for m. So you're going to plug it into there. Now, if you use the slope-intercept form, you're going to have to solve. And since you're plugging in an x and a y and a slope, you're going to solve for b, which will be your y-intercept. However, if you're plugging it into the point-slope form, once you know a point and a slope, then basically you're just simplifying this and rewriting it into slope-intercept form, which is nice about using it that method. However, if you use the slope-intercept form, once you've plugged in your point and your slope, you've solved for b, then you just rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form, where you know what the slope is and you just solve for b. Then you just want to rewrite your equation of that new parallel line that goes through a point in slope-intercept form. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is pretty much the basics of how you're going to rewrite, or how you're going to write an equation parallel to another line that goes through a given point. Thanks. Hello.